Dear students, welcome to our class on JRF, SRF, NET 2002, CORE NRM 1, Natural Resource Management 1, Class 3. See, I would like to impress upon my beloved students that question papers are set by the senior most professors with a lot of experience. Usually, they never try to put a candidate into trouble. They are interested to know how the candidate perception is with reference to his major area. In addition to major area, his other closely related fields, how he has the perception. So that is the basis of paper setting. It is not to put the student into trouble. Say for example, questions may be asked like this. List 1, list 2 they will give. In the list 1, this is the standard. Please note that 5 to 6 questions will come like this. By seeing these questions of this type, usually students say this year the paper is tough. No, it's never tough. I tell you. List 1, list 2. In the list 1, they give A, B, C, D like this, one below the other. On the list 2, they give Roman letter 1, Roman letter 2, Roman letter 3, Roman letter 4. They will give it. Now, here they give some content. Capital A, capital B, capital C, capital D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, some. So, matching they will give it. Now, in the answers, what they do is, please note, A, B, C, D here, Roman letter 1, 2, 3, 4. Left side and right side columns are there. Now, the answers are 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now 1, 2, 3, 4. In that, they give first A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D. Now, answers they put. A. List 1 has to be tallied with list 2. Now, in the list 2, what is there? Roman letters 1, 2, 4 are there. Roman letter 4, Roman letter 3, Roman letter 1, Roman letter 2. Answers A, B, C, D. Against 1, against 2, against 3, against 4. So, this type of questions are there. They are really very easy. Why I tell you? Because if you know the first of the 4 as a student and attempting NRM 1, okay, you must be knowing perfect one question. You may be doing 90% one question, 50% to other two. No, use your brain and then get it done. Because the answers are given there. If the answers are not given, then you will be in trouble. But in the answers also, you need to have some sort of your own intellectual ability. So, what is the intellectual ability is there? You know the best of the 4. Please again, A, B, C, D. Of the A, B, C, D, which is telling you the Roman letter 1 to 4. The best answer you see in 1, 2, 3, 4 answers from which area it is there. Suppose 3. In this B, you have got the answer for that. Now from there you just go comparing it. So please never think that such questions are difficult. Now another important thing is assertion and reason. This type of questions are there. Now, what is assertion? What is reason? I need not tell. You have come to PG and PhD level. Now, see, assertion. So, an excellent scientific finding will be there. The reason they will give it. Sometimes, in the ABCD answers, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, not ABCD. Answers will never be ABCD. It is in the 1, 2, 3, 4. Just numerical numbers. As far as list 1, list 2 is concerned, capital A, capital B, capital C, capital D. In the list, Roman letter 1, Roman letter 2, Roman letter 3, Roman letter 4. That's it. Now, answers is 1, 2, 3, 4. In this 1, 2, 3, 4, assertion, reason. Now, what they give is choose the correct answer. You know 100% as far as assertion is concerned or reason is concerned. That questions are the most common questions they give it. So, from there you should pick up, yes, answer number 2 is correct in your opinion. So, what is answer number 2, for example? Statement A, assertion is correct. Reason is not supporting the assertion. Say for example, it is your conclusion. Just first you conclude yourself in your mind. Then go for options here. If it is there, excellent. If it is slightly deviating from your idea, go for next answer, go for third answer, go for fourth answer. So never you think that such questions are difficult, such questions given in that year are difficult. Never it will. So they are set by the very seasoned senior most professors. Now, the first bit of today's class is very good. Now, the digital NRM 1 third class. The digital interpretation of forest data. The digital interpretation of forest data for entire country has been done by the Forest Survey of India. From which cycle of assessment? From which cycle of assessment the digital interpretation of forest data was done for the entire country. Now, it is in the 8th cycle of assessment. In the 8th cycle of assessment, the Forest Survey of India has completed digital interpretation of forest data. Number 2, as per the ISF for 2019, the area under moderate dense forest. The area under moderate dense forest is 3,08,472 hectares. 3,08,472 hectares. The third bit, now I told, list 1, list 2. Now, just for example, National Green Tribunal Act in the year 2010, National Green Tribunal Act 2010, Biodiversity Act 2002, the Environmental Act in the bracket protection, the Environmental Protection Act, in the year 1986, the Public Liability Insurance Act in the year 1991. So these are the bits. How they have given in the list 1, A.B.C.D. National Green Tribunal Act, Biodiversity Act, the Environmental Protection Act, the Public Liability Insurance Act. Yes, they have given 2002, 2010, 1991, 1986. The answers I had given. Again, for your academic interest, I would like to impress upon you that National Green Tribunal Act in the list 2, what you should choose 2010, Biodiversity Act, you should choose 2002 from the list 2 here, and the Environment Protection Act 1986 in the 4, Roman letter 4, it is there, the last one, the Public Liability Insurance Act in the year 1991. This is how list 1, list 2 are there. Once again, third time, fourth time I am telling. List 1, capital A, capital B, capital C, capital D. List 2, Roman letter 1, Roman letter 2, Roman letter 3, Roman letter 4. Good. Answers are 1, 2, 3, 4. So, A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, answers are there. In the list 2, Roman letters, they will give it. You just have to use your first knowledge first, then your intellectual thing. Now, the CGS system of measurement was adopted in which year? CGS, it was adopted in 1962. October 1962 is the answer. The BD, which is also known as a thin cigarette or mini cigar filled with tobacco flake and commonly wrapped in the leaves of. In which leaves the BD, is wrapped. The tobacco flakes are wrapped. Diapros, D-I-A-S-P-Y-R-O-S. Diapros. Melanxilon. So this is the answer. Now, under Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan, under Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan, ABA, the import duty on bamboo has been increased or decreased to encourage domestic use of bamboo. It was the Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan, bamboo. 10 to 25% either increased or decreased to increase the domestic consumption of bamboo, to consumption of bamboo. Now, next bit. Of course, as I said, some more question. Arrange the phrases of Indian forest transition in the correct sequence. How it had transition. Transition has taken place with reference to forests. Now, the first deforestation, deforestation phase, then agri-stabilization phase, and conservation and sustainable management, finally, afforestation phase. So, from deforestation phase, we have gone to afforestation phase. In between, we have gone for agricultural stabilization phase and conservation and sustainable management phase. Now, again, list 1, list 2 questions I am telling. ABCD, list 1. Roman letters 1, 2, 3, 4, list 2. Answers are 1, 2, 3, 4. The answers are 1, 2, 3, 4 in that A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D. Now here the question is Earth Day. Okay, Earth Day, 22nd April. Biodiversity Day, 22nd May. Environmental Day, 5th June. And the International Day of Forest, 21st March. Once again, for your academic interest, list A, list B, I am telling. Answers are Earth Day, 22nd April. Biodiversity Day, 22nd May. 22nd April, 72nd May. They follow after exactly 1 month. Which follow? Earth Day and Biodiversity Day. April 22nd, May 22nd. The third one is Environmental Day. Now, Environmental Day is on 5th of June and International Day of Forest, it is on 21st March. So, questions like this are given. Under Kyoto Protocol of Climate Change, under the protocol, Kyoto Protocol, Kyoto Protocol of climate change, developing countries are eligible for what? Clean development mechanism. Clean development mechanism. They are asked to go for clean development mechanism. This is the answer. Now, see, given below are two statements. That's what I told. One is the assertion, second one is the reason. Now, what is the two statements? First one, okay, it's not exactly assertion. Two statements I am telling which one is correct, which one is wrong. Now, One Dhan Yojana, okay, One Dhan Yojana or One Dhan scheme, an initiative targeting livelihood generation of tribal gatherers was launched in the year 2015. This is the statement. Okay, One Dhan was launched in the year 2015. Second, major objective of One Dhan scheme or One Dhan Yojana is two, transforming tribals into entrepreneurs. So these are the two statements. So here the answer is One Dhan Yojana was not launched in the year 2015. Okay, so statement 1 is incorrect, but statement 2 is correct. One Dhan Yojana main objective was to transforming tribals into entrepreneurs. Okay, this is the answer. Now, which of the following statement is correct about maximum thermometer and minimum thermometer in the Stevenson screen? This is what I would like to impress upon you. The maximum thermometer and the minimum thermometer both are they are kept in the horizontal portion in the Stevenson screen because the dry bulb thermometer vertical, the wet bulb thermometer vertical, because in the maximum thermometer, dry bulb and wet bulb, the mercury is the liquid. But as far as minimum thermometer is concerned, there is an alcohol in the dumbbell shaped indicator is there. So that's why the dumbbell shaped indicator may fall down. That's why. So maximum thermometer, minimum thermometer are located in the Stevenson screen horizontally. Now, who invented barometer? This bit will come 100%. Okay, Torricelli, evangelist. Torricelli. Okay, Torricelli. This bit is most common to appear in your exam. Which of the following climatic phenomena brings rainfall to Tamil Nadu? The northeast monsoon brings rainfall to Tamil Nadu. What is the normal date of onset of monsoon in India? It is on 1st of June. What is the full form of India Meteorological Department? IMD. IMD is India Meteorological Department. Which is the value of 1 knot in kilometers per hour? It is 1.852. 1 knot is equal to 1.852. And some statements are given like this: A, B, C, D. Latitudes are parallel to each other, longitudes are parallel to each other. Okay, international date line is approximately on or near the 180 degrees longitude, and the last D is zero latitude is called equator. D is correct, you know. Okay, now so read the statements and give the correct answer. A is latitudes are parallel to each other. B is longitudes are parallel to each other. International date line is approximately on or near 180 degrees longitude, and the last D is the zero latitude is called equator. Now the answer is A, C and D only. What the answers are? A, C and D only. Now here the A is latitudes are parallel to each other. C is Okay, international date line is approximately on or near the 180 degrees longitude. Okay, so the longitudes are parallel to each other. Okay, here it is not correct answer. The D is 0 degrees latitude is called equator. Now with this, I am going to conclude our class 3. We meet in the class 4. Thanking you very much for your very patient hearing.